So in a follow-up to our fermented veg video, have a look. I mean, these are already starting to smell like they are going. There's stuff going on there. But so what we're trying to aim to do is we want to get. See here, we've got this brine, a lovely brine, and this is what we want to get everything into the brine, because the bacteria we want thrive in anaerobic conditions, so when there is no air in there, no air in the vegetables, so you need to have get it down. If you can't get it down, you're gonna have to top up with a little bit of water. So as we can see, the fennel, chili, garlic, lemon thing has got quite a decent amount of brine. The sprouty carrot one, less so. We've already got like a good amount of sugar in there, salt, sorry. We've got a good amount of salt in there because we did our 2% salt. And I'm now actually gonna make sure that's anaerobic. You can see how, I mean, there's already like liquid in there, and it just takes a tiny little touch of water. That's just going to submerge that. I'm going to do the same here. And now that's submerged. That's anaerobic. The chickpea, the fermented hummus we're doing, that's going to be aerobic because we've mushed it and we've pressed it down. We pressed all of the air out of there, so that's naturally going to take like sort of anaerobic conditions inside. But if you don't get enough brine naturally, the salt draws out the brine from your vegetables, and if you don't get enough, just top it up a little bit, and then the salt you've got in there will form a brine naturally with the water that you've added.